You know, this crowd is off the charts, and I know you're used to this, getting used to this kind of attention.
I sat in the audience once.
You sat in the audience of a talk show?
Yes.
How long ago was this?
Late 90s.
Late 90s.
I think so. No,
Yeah.
no, it doesn't matter. I sat in it. That's the point.
Yeah. Doesn't really matter. You sat in a talk show audience one time. And did you enjoy the experience?
Well, first of all, they kept throwing us Jolly Ranchers to keep our sugar levels high. But
we don't do that here.
No, I don't ever do that.
We give everyone a Cadillac when the show is over. We all know that's not
Everybody look
true.
under your chairs.
Look under your chair.
It's a Cadillac. I was disappointed, though, because I wanted to be... Like, when I sat in the audience, I figured that... I know that you probably want to see the guests, but you probably really want to get on camera, too, right?
Yeah.
Can we bring somebody up?
Do this. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Linda.
Linda, where are you from, Linda?
Westminster.
Westminster. Okay, Westminster.
California.
Westminster, California.
Now make her tell you about Gangster Squad.
Can I give a little tip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give her a tip.
Okay,
yeah.
I feel like it's going well. I think that there needs to be a little tension, like a little conflict. Here, okay. Ask her a question.
So, you say you're from Westminster? Is that a nice town?
I like your suit. Do they make it for men?
No, they don't. So nice having you here. Have you been to a taping of this show before?
Once.
Oh. I think Mr. Gosling had a line for you. Go ahead.
You got a big mouth and you just like to run it.
This is the most hostile interview I've ever taken part in. Who the hell do you think you are? I blame you. Well, you know, we're going to talk about Gangster Squad now. Okay. You excited about this?
Yes.
We have a clip here. What can you tell us about the clip?
Well, Ryan's in it.
No, it says here Ryan's not in it. We chose the one scene that Ryan's not in from Gangster Squad. Anything else we need to know about this?
Your bobblehead is anatomically correct.
Now she just wants to be near Ryan.
Your bobblehead is anatomically incorrect. Or correct.
What? My bobblehead is anatomically correct?
Shut your big mouth.
You're never coming back. This was going so well with Ryan, and then you come up here with your hate and your anger. You sicken me. All right, we have a clip here from Gangster Squad. Should we throw to this now?
Okay.
Let's all take a look.
I help you fellas or something?
Mind your business. We'll get to you in a minute.
We just want to talk to her is all. Hey, we got a message from Mr. Cohen.
Look, I don't. It just seems like the lady doesn't want to talk to you.
Well, lady, she's just one of Mickey's pro skirts there, pal.
Where is it? Where is it? No. What is that? Is that your message from her? Is that acid? Huh? I swear to God, I ever see you near her again, I'll kill you.
Okay.
Good.
No! Cut!